Okay, so ngayon, welcome back. Yes, naipost ko kanina yung episode part 2 kasi may technical issue sa aking headset. So I don't think naapektuhan yata. I think hindi naapektuhan yung game. I just hope so na hindi talaga kasi hindi ko naman siya chinek bago ko i-upload. Ganun ako eh. Pero yeah, let's continue on what we left here on Dying Light. Hopefully uh, hopefully hindi tayo magkakamali sa climbing ulit. Well, hindi naman tayo nagkamali pero hindi, nagkamali tayo kasi nasobrahan tayo sa pag-akyat. So hopefully na hindi tayo magkakamali sa oh, hello. Nga pala. Oh well. Hey. Okay. Uy, ba't Alright. Ang totoo pang siguro ng mga nagpa-parkour. Yep, muntik na ako doon. Ang tatap... Oh, no! No! See what I mean? See what I mean? Bakit pa ako tumalon ng ganon? Here we go again. Pagpasensyaan nyo na ako, sobrang unskill yung ginawa ko na yun. Pero yeah. Uy! Saan yun? Oh! Diyan kayo. Diyan. Diyan kayo. Wala na ba ako? Yep. Sige, akyat. Ha? Yan. Ayaw nga pala. Meron nga palang craft to. Nakalimutan ko. Ay, naku, bakit nangyari yung ganun? Hindi naman dapat ganun mangyayari. Okay. Eto, saseryosohin ko na. Saseryosohin ko na to. Nagkakamali na naman ako sa pagka-climb. And hindi dapat ganito sa akin. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Bago lahat, baka nakalimutan natin yung subtitle. In any case, okay, naka-on. So, saan ba tayo namatay banda? Dito, think. Uy! No. That's not gonna happen. So, asan yung... No, muntik na ako doon. Alam ko muntik na ako doon. Muntik na ako mamatay. Grabe ang careless ko. So, nasan yung... Hey there. Bye-bye. Uy, di kita makita. Akala ko Minecraft. Nag-ship pa ako. Akala ko Minecraft.
Oh, shit. Kareem, someone already scavenged this thing for parts. There's nothing up here to switch on.
I was afraid of that. Alright, head to the next antenna tower. It's not too far from there. Just use the zip line and head east. You'll see it.
Yeah, is this the zip line? Yes, ito nga. Meron nung... meron nung ano... Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Ay, meron pala zipline. Akala ko. Kukunin ko na ito muna bago. Yeah, just what I thought.
Back away.
Hey, come here.
Doesn't concern you.
Wait nyo lang sila. Wait nyo lang sila. So, nasa na yun? Nasa na yung... Nasa na yung mga runner? Oh well. Oh!
This is it for you. I'll fucking gut you.
Yep.
You motherfucker.
Oh! No! No way! No way! Laman lang akong ano. I'm here.
I'm not done with you.
Nope.
Now you're just making me mad.
Nope. Yeah. Come here. Ano naman tayo? No.
God damn it.
No. Uy!
Yeah, that's right. You better run.
Ah, okay. No. Wait lang. Yeah, go. Ano? Kala ko sisipa ka. No, no. Oh, no! Hindi ka na nadala. Hindi ka na nadala. Sige, sa inyo na yan. Wala na akong pake. Bakit palagi na lang ganun? Bakit lang dito sa bubong mo?
Hey, Kareem, what do I do if the second transmitter's trashed?
The better question is, what will you do if you disappoint Rice? The answer is probably die horribly.
Well, I die horribly kanina pa. So, huwag mo ako sasabihan ng ganun, Karim. Kukunin natin yung may mga zombie pa na sumusunod. Die already. Ay, patay na pala. So may kukunin tayo dito, dito sa die. Why won't you die already? Ha? Nagawa mo. So may kukunin tayo dito. And I hope isang lockpick lang. Yes, isang lockpick lang. So lucky number ko ay 6. Which is, that's pretty weird. Ah, wait. Ah, yes. Oo nga pala. Oo nga pala. Guys. Shoutout nga pala sa aking girlfriend slash wife. And ngayon is ang aming monthsary. So happy monthsary, happy monthsary, mahal. Oh, sorry, na distract lang ako. So yeah, again, happy monthsary sa ating dalawa, mahal. And hope for the best. Yun lang masasabi ko. Sorry, hindi ako masyadong smooth talker or romantic talker. Okay. Na 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 na. Ah, yes. Yep. Uy. Yeah. Gonna need this. Wait, ano yun? Okay, ang tawag ko dito sa tabachoy na to, spitter. Oh! Oh! No! Grabe. Ba't pa kasi ginawa yun? Hey. Yep. Nope. 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 Come here. Come. Ooh. 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 No. Hey. No. Not today, boys and girls. Ay, paano kaya aakyat? Yeah, just what I thought. Okay, so andito rin tayo sa part na maraming zombie. Oh, I see. Yeah, I remember this. Yeah, alam ko may tao dito eh. Ah, yeah. Yep.
Kareem, I'm at the
So
second antenna
bright.
tower, and the fence is electrified. I think someone's inside.
That will be Alexei, and probably his son Christoph. I find them tiresome. Don't let them stand in your way. You've got to get inside and turn on the transmitter.
Yeah. Actually, yung pagsipa mo sa isang zombie, pagka nagkaroon talaga ng zombie apocalypse, actually magandang ano yun, kung isang zombie lang, isipain mo sila, Then kapag natumba sila, pwede mo na silang patayin. Pero ingat lang, baka maklatch kayo ng isang zombie. Yung advice ko, baka di gumana sa inyo.
What the fuck do you want?
Well, what do I want? Yeah.
I need to climb the tower.
Why the hell would you want to do that?
For Rise. He asked me to.
Rice? You don't look like one of his crew.
Oh, fine. I'll just radio back and tell Rise that you wouldn't let me through.
What? No, I didn't say that. You want to climb? Fine. Go.
I won't do this anymore.
Will you keep your voice down?
I don't care who hears me.
Christoph, what's wrong with you? We're trying to stay alive here.
Dad, these guys are killers.
Yes, they're murderers. So we work for them. That's how we stay safe.
Alam mo, agree ako sa'yo. And ikaw, masyado kang coward.
Using your head or you're going to get us both.
Well, anyways, makita tayo dito sa tower na to. Na 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 na. Yep. Uy. Yep. Ito. Kala ko di ko makikita to. Tik din ah.
I sure hope this fucking climb was worth it.
Yeah, I do hope so. So, sana ko... ito. Okay, so ito na. Sana meron. Yep.
And this thing's still intact. Let's see if it was worth the hassle. Hey, Kareem, second transmitter's up and running. Is it working? Kareem, do you hear me?
Loud and clear. Nice job. You know the way back, right?
Right.
Okay, so babalik naman tayo kay Rise. Let's go. What? Paano ako na-damage dun? Weird. Ano ba meron dito? Adjustable. Oh, yeah. Sure, why not? Kaso wala tayong metal parts. So, ano natin to? Then, good to go. Yeah.
It was you, wasn't it?
Raheem?
The antennas. Brecken told me. Communication is crystal clear now. Good job, man. This helps everybody, but especially Dr. Zeta and Dr. Camden. They can hear each other without static for the first time since... whatever. See you back at the tower.
Yeah. Okay, scavenge muna tayo. Kasi kailangan ko na talaga ng resource. Yeah, resource na lang tatawagin ko. Meron pa ba ibang term? I don't know. Why do I care? Yes, I will care this time. Okay. Hi guys, what's up? Ah, yes, pwede ito maging...
This is Jade
Oh, you're saying to me good luck? Yes, sir. Uy! Yep. So ngayon, sasara ko to. Ah, what? Ba't hindi pwede? That's weird. Dapat masara siya eh. Anyways. Stun. Ewan ko ba, ba't pa ako nag-stay dito? Oh! Yeah. No. Ah, gusto ko to. Ah! Let's go, na sila. Ayan na sila. Oh no! Okay, magpa-parkour tayo dito. Kasi may kasunod ako. Nope. Uy! Nope.
Hey, Craig, you got a second? I want to patch through to somebody who really wants to talk to you.
Nope, nope.
Huh? Who?
Is this Kyle Crane?
Who wants to know?
My name is Troy. I lead a small group of survivors over in Sector Zero. We call ourselves the Embers. Sector Zero is completely sealed off. Mr. Crane, until you restored radio communication, we didn't know if anyone else in the city was alive. I just wanted to let you know how grateful we are. You've given us a small measure of hope.
Well, I'm happy to help.
If there's ever any way we can help you, Mr. Crane, please, don't hesitate to ask.
Ang kailangan ko is magandang weapon. Yun lang. So, balik tayo kay... Ang pangalan nun? Karim? Yata?
Job's done. Now it's time to get back to Rice and get that antizin.
Alright?
Well, you not only did the job Karim asked of you, but you made it back in one piece. Bravo.
Can I get some antizin now?
Did you think I would be satisfied so easily? You still have plenty to prove.
Look, we really need the drugs. Let me have them now, and then I'll come back and do whatever.
You'll get antazine when I say you get it, not 1 second before. But, as I have established, I am not unreasonable. Do all that I ask of you, and I will give you not 1 but 2 crates of antazine.
All right, fine. What do you want me to do?
This will be different from your exploits on the antennas. It will require a bit more persuasion. The imposing of one's will, the creation of one's own rules, that is what makes a man. Do you live by your own rules, Crane? Or are you merely someone else's puppet? I believe I know the answer. Talk to Karim before I decide you are no longer worth the trouble.
Okay. Thank you. Pero... Hindi ko alam. Bahala na. Okay, so bago tayo magsimula ng bagong quest, check ko lang muna ng mga weapons dito. Not worth the try. Tanggalin na lang natin to. Kahit ito. Tsaka ito. Yan. Tapos, bibili tayo. What? Ito lang? Well, I can take this classic baseball bat. Yeah. Tapos, i-blueprint natin siya. And, voila.
Ah, my friend. Rice likes you, I can tell.
Yeah, how?
Because you are still among the living. The task at hand is as easy as can be. You simply have to make a few pickups from some nearby settlements.
Which ones?
The first is Jafar's wheel station. It's just east of here. But bear in mind, not everyone you talk to today will be in a cooperative state of mind. I'm sure you can be convincing, though, no?
Well, siguro. Ewan ko.
Shit, you win in the last minute.
Yeah. Well, nandito ulit ako. So, ano yung last minute na sinasabi mo?
I can't say I'm surprised that Rise went back on his word. But the GRE won't let me just walk away. Plus, if there's any chance that we can get that Antis in, I have to try. This time he wants me to gather protection money from the surrounding settlements. And after this, he better hand over the drugs.
Well, I don't think nabibigay sa yung 2 crates. Kasi alam mo naman si Rice, isang psychopath. Psychopath don't take promise or don't do a promise. Hey, come on, lapit kayo. Yeah. Eto na naman tayo. Yeah, take advantage ko ano yung meron dito. You go. Contact with GRE. So, okay, pupunta tayo ngayon. Nope. Nope. Uy! Ano nangyari dun? Okay, dyan na kayo. Dyan na kayo.
Crane here.
Report.
Another job for
Na-trigger
Rice.
yung quest.
This one's pretty dirty. He's forcing me to collect the money he's extorting from a nearby village.
Just do what he asks and stay close to him.
Person evaded. Okay.
Yeah, Crane out.
So, magiging laptop muna tayo ni Rice. Kailangan natin gawin yung mga gusto niyong gawin. And after that, makakuha natin yung antes na kailangan natin kunin. I highly doubt nabibigay sa atin yung 2 crates na yun. Promise. Hello? Oh no! Yep. 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 Nope. Tadi.
Kareem, by the wheel station.
Talk you long enough. Get the job done and make it fast. This is just the first stop.
Okay. So, kausapin na natin to. Wait. Yep.
I'm running a
Thank you.
special run,
Oh, wait. Kailangan ko din palang bentahan to. I-sell pala. Okay. Cricket bat. Short knife. Classic bat. Hey, what's up,
You
Jafar?
Who wants to know?
My name isn't important. What's important is that Rise sent me, and that you owe him some money.
I've never seen you before. For all I know, you're just some random asshole. Fuck off.
I'll tell you what. How about I break both your legs and drag you through the streets back to Rice's place, huh? And then he can explain to you that you should have cooperated.
Okay. Jesus. You are one of Rise's thugs. You guys are the only ones who'd act this shitty. Here's your money. Take it.
And if I have to come back here...
You won't get any more attitude. Mi casa, su casa. Just don't hurt me, alright?
Thank you. So,
Kareem, it's me. So I just threatened to break an old man's legs.
And it worked, didn't it? Next you collect the tribute from the fisherman's village. Head east to the tunnel
Ooh.
entrance. Their
Piso.
messenger always meets us there.
piso. Oh no. Tapos meron pang... Dali mo.
Crane,
Yeah.
doing, mate?
I'm running errands for Rise.
One hit.
He wields a lot of power. Scares a lot of people.
Damn right he does.
As expected.
Much as I hate to admit it, I'm getting
Oh, wait.
worried.
I'm doing the best I can out here, Brecken.
I know. I understand. I just want you to be aware of the stakes.
I'm infected too, remember? Believe me, I'm motivated.
All right. Here's hoping you can make it back to the tower soon.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Muntik na. Oh my god. Eat. Just eat, man. Replenish your... Bakit pa ayaw? Fine. Buksan lang natin to. Then... Takbo. Come on. Yep. Buti na lang nakakuha ako ng medkit. Kung hindi, mamamatay talaga ako dito. Takbo. Wop, search. Empty. Okay lang. Ito yung crates. Pwede ko na kagad to. Magmahulya lahat. Crates. Come on. Right. So, search lang nung search. Kung may nakuha na importante. Search lang. Wait, naubos din yung battery na... Right. Uy. Diretso lang tayo. Hindi pala. No. Uy! Ano ginagawa ko? Anong ginagawa ko? Anong ginagawa ko? Anong ginagawa ko? Muntik na ako doon. Grabe. Okay, bago mo na lahat. Wow, 112 yung yung points, pwede na. Kung hindi lang napapagod si Crane, siguro nakuha ko na lahat. Madami na yung XP ko sa agility. Pero oh well. Yeah. Pwede ba ako tumuloy dito? Okay, nice. Oh, hello. Yep. Yun. Thank you. Uy, cricket bat. Thank you. As expected. Oh wait, hindi ko nga pala na i-inspect yung dito sa banda. Bubuksan mo to? No. No din. Okay. Right. Oh shit.
Hey, Kareem, I just saw something I've never seen before. This huge, bloated infected just fucking exploded.
Yeah, we call them bombers. Some of our guys use them to kill other infected. Shoot them, and they take out everything in a 3-meter radius.
Kidding me?
Keep your distance and you'll be fine. But what about the courier? Was he there?
No, I didn't see anybody. Just fucking zombies.
All right. You'll have to go to the village directly, I suppose.
Uy!
Look for a man named Gerson.
Tignan ako dun. Okay. Pa ako nakikita. Tuloy ko lang. For sure, volatile yun. Kailangan ko na mag-ingat ng extra. Basta na lang. Yeah. Wait, try pa natin. Uy, pwede pala ako mag-molotov. Thank you. Share. Sure. Molotov. Just what I needed. Last. Thank you. Now, try natin ulit. Sana makakuha man lang kahit baril. Yun. Thank you. Seriously? Well, okay lang. Kasi Ah, di pala. YOLO. Okay. So, nandito tayo sa kabila. Flammable liquid, thank you. So, sir, kalma lang. Kalma lang. No. No. Yep. Oh, sakit nun. Lapit na, konti na lang. Konti na lang.
Okay, Kareem, I'm outside the village, but there's a whole horde of infected in there.
So, clear them out. We get paid for protection. Do some protecting.
I doubt. Dito muna ako. Nakakala ko iba sila. Well, hindi sila nakakalangoy. Good thing. It's a good thing na hindi sila nakakalangoy. Uy, yun. Ano yun? Volatile. Mag-umaga na. Masunog na kayo? Thank you. So, papatayin natin yung mga zombie dito. And may runner. Oh. Bakit? Mahina naman na ito. No? Nagwala. Tapos ganun nangyari sa kanya. And mamamatay na ako. Uy! Come here. Come here. Mawala na ako ng stamina. Ooh. No, takot ka? No. Come on, show me what you got. Show me what you got. Paratay na damage, ikaw ang na-headshot. Headshot. Hindi pala headshot. So malayo tayo dito. Okay, fine. Yep, malayo nga. Kasi hinayaan. Okay. Uy, meron agad. Ah, yes. Nope, nope. Nope. Ba't hindi ako makapag... Ito mo na. Nice one. Nope. 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 Nope, nope. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Ah! Mali ako ng dinaanan. Ah. Mali ako ng dinaanan. No! Ah, matik na. Dami nyo. Meron ba din ang tanong dito? Meron nga. Pero mukhang lalangoy ka. Fine. Wait, ano to? Okay. Wala na? Wala na? List na ako. Kung dadaan tayo dito. Try nga natin dumaan dito. Hindi ko pa natatry dumaan dito eh. Yep. Hindi ka naman makakalangoy eh. Okay, so dadaan tayo dito. Try natin. Nope. What the... okay. Grabe yun ah. Hindi ko lang nakita yun ah. Wait! So shortcut. And muntik pa ako mamatay kanina. So shortcut nga. Nice. Di ko na kailangan pumunta doon. Okay. Alright. So ano meron dito? Thank you. Thank you. Oops. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so round 2. Hey there. No. 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 Vuela, vuela, vuela. Nope. Nope. So after ko ma-secure tong nope. Nope. Matanggo na. Move. Diyan ka. Oh, diyan ka. So after kong matapos tong i-clear out yung mga zombies, tatapusin ko muna tong video na to. Huwag ka matulog. Huwag ka matulog. Oh, nope. Nope. No. Uy. Mm. Mm. Come on. Oh, muntik na, muntik na. Muntik na. Mm. Yep. 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 No. Stay there. Ba't ako kunat nyo? Nawawala na ako ng stamina sa inyo. Mm. 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 Ano? Ha, grabe. So, kailangan ko ng... Saka to. Oh, wait. Ito pa pala. Ito. Yeah. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot. Ah, may pumasok pa. Great. Oop, nope. Hmm. 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 May pumasok pa ulit. Dumadagdag lang. Nauubos yung repair ko sa inyo ah. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. Nope. Nope. Yep. Yep. Oh. Ulit na naman tayo. Oh, well. Here goes nothing. Sorry guys. Masyado akong natuwa sa nangyari kanina. And hindi ko nakalang maabutin ako ng... Wait, paano ako napasok? Ayun. So save zone pala yun. Teka, nakuha ko na ba to? Save zone. Okay. Sang part to? Well, I mean, hindi ko siya kuha. Okay. Alright, fine. Ano yun? May mga poison na. Great, just great. I hope hindi ma-reset yung mga zombies. Wala na akong weapon. This may wrench. I mean, hammer. Better than nothing. Oh, nga pala. Oh. Ito na yung charge. Okay. Nice. So, may charge na ako and kaya ko na silang patayin ng ganito. Okay, round 3. Pwede ko na ba? Hindi pa. Yep. Ano? No. Nope. Come on. Ang kukunat nyo, promise. Oh, hindi ko lang nakita. Nang may pumasok. Tama na.
I gotta get that gate closed before more of those fuckers get inside.
Okay. Okay, dito ba?
Hello? Anyone here?
Just stay still, and maybe he'll go away.
Anyone here? Rice sent me. I'm here for a pickup.
Fine. Dito ba? Try natin.
Yes? Who goes there?
I'm here on Rice's behalf. I'm supposed to pick something up.
Oh my god, that's one of Rice's men. What do I do?
Just tell him to go away. Do it nice and maybe he'll leave us alone. Better yet, send it to Gersel. He'll know what to do.
Please, we don't know anything. Go, talk to Gersel. He lives above the store.
Ah, ito. Okay, thank you. Try muna natin yung mga ganito.
Yeah?
Hey, Rice sent me here to pick up something for him.
You won't find it here. Not here. Not in this house. Not anywhere around this house. Gersel. Gersel is the one you're looking for.
Fine. Pero kung i-trigger ko muna itong isa.
Who is it?
I'm looking for someone in charge here. Rice sent me.
Oh, you with Gersel? Check the big house in the center of the village. He lives upstairs.
Okay.
Just be careful around his woman. She's hell on wheels.
Ah, okay.
Thanks.
Sure. Thank you.
Hey, anybody in there?
Shh, not so loud. You'll draw the monsters.
Look, I got rid of them, but you better reinforce that gate before more show up.
You got rid of them? All of them?
Rice sent me. You Gersel?
Oh, you were for Rise. I should have known this was too good to be true.
You've taken enough. You can't have any more. Firkin, tell him.
Isla, please. Just let me talk to the man.
You can't just push us around like this. Firkin gonna kick your ass. Do it, Firkin. Kick his ass.
For God's sake. Look, I don't want any trouble. But we already paid this month. You're going to bleed us dry.
That is entirely not my problem. Rise wants his payment, so you make the payment or things get bad for you. And your woman.
You can't threaten us. Kick his ass, Firkin.
Give me a break, Isla. All right, fine, here. This is all of it.
Ugh. A real man would have kicked his ass.
Yeah, I'll leave you to it. Sounds like you have bigger problems than money.
Yeah. Uy, man.
Okay, Kareem, I got Gersel's money. Fucking hate myself now, but I got the money.
The self-hatred fades eventually. Just one pickup to go. At the ferry station on the old pier.
Was a ferry?
There was until the Navy sent it to the bottom of the bay. Dozens of people were stranded there, waiting for another one that never came.
Are there any boats left?
Yes, but any boat that tries to leave the bay gets blown right out of the water.
Okay, so guys, dito muna magtatapos ang aking video na to for episode 3. Medyo na drain talaga ako ngayong araw na to, though hindi pa naman gabi and umaga pa lang naman sa amin. Pero na-drain ako kasi di pa ako natutulog. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much guys sa panonood sa aking video, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button or the bell. And also that's it right now. So kita na lang tayo sa episode 4, and Rewin signing out. Bye bye.